I'm sorry to sound a little bit pessimistic in some aspects. I'm referring to this issue of meetings between experts and investigators. After the investigators gathered swabs and everything else and submitted to GAO, perhaps any other meetings should be with the guidance of the prosecutor, the state attorney or otherwise. Otherwise, these meetings may be either positive or negative. I must sound this knowing that our country, I must be, hit the nail on the head, is corruption. If the meeting between the expert and the prosecutor doesn't produce the desired result, you might actually wonder what would have happened in the midway. For instance, you get a conclusion from a gun expert to say findings were not conclusive. So what? What do you leave me with? What have you given us? So, those meetings must be very well guided, otherwise they may produce a very negative result and they will lead to a killing of a case. Thank you.
The process of arriving at the report, that would amount to doctoring and probably interference. And so what I understood is that once I have summoned the expert, we should first have a meeting and we go over the report together before I present him in court. And because of the business schedule, what we usually do, personally, I ask the expert to help me understand it if I have not understood. But usually they are straightforward, so I look at it and he comes to interpret it to the court. And everything usually is right. So, but where I see things that I cannot understand, it's my duty to invite the expert. Even if he has come late, I can still ask for an adjournment and then we first go over it. It will be very risky for me to appear in court with an expert and his report cannot be understood. In one of the cases I handled, the report was from the cyber. He had made a big booklet after analyzing all printouts. And so we really had to have enough time to go over it, and then I was able to understand and lead him in court. Yeah, it's a good practice and we welcome it. Then of course he has talked about the integrity of those reports. Surely I had a very unfortunate case in Kabari where it was a murder case and there was enough evidence. These guys got the victim, tied him and dropped him in the store and blood was seen oozing out of the door, and then they took the parts and threw them at the border with Congo. They were covered and the report came saying negative. And you know what? The judge acquitted on the basis of the report. I did not follow that case because I was leaving the country. But the report itself was very worrying. It came and it was so negative, yet everything was picked. And I don't think we blame the soap or anybody because they picked the real blood. They did not take the blood of an animal or something else. It was from the real scene and it was still fresh. So how the report came negative, really it defeated our understanding. So we don't know also what happens in those labs. Yeah, and then I'll comment on what Madam Rose has said.